Welcome. In front of me is a MyPhone N23, and today I will show you how you can import your contacts from the SIM card to the device. So to get started, open up your standalone contacts application, which is located in the Google folder. Next, navigate to Organize, and we're looking for Manage SIM. This in turn will show you all the contacts that are located on your SIM card. Now for me, almost all of them are grayed out and deselected because all of those contacts already exist on the location where the device defaults to, which is the Google account, if there is one signed in. If there isn't, then it will default to the other option, which is the device. And if I select it right now, as you can see, all the contacts now become selected. And I can also deselect ones that I don't want. Now, one more thing to keep in mind is if you don't have any Google account signed in on your device right now, you will not see the Save To at all. It just is going to be hidden, and the device will default to the only option, which is the device itself. That's why it's not giving you any option to change, as there is no other option. If there is, you'll have the drop down. Anyway, from here you can select Import once you have selected all the contacts that you want. And when you navigate to the contacts, depending on where you're importing them to, so if you have multiple Google accounts and you decided to import it to one of those, you might need to switch the displayed account by clicking right here on the circle and then choosing wherever you imported your contacts to, which for me that was the device. And when I select it, you can see all the accounts that I have imported to that location. So, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.